Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on multiplication in algebra. This video will show how to multiply algebraic terms together. The following rules apply. Number 1. Multiply the leading terms together when they occur. Now the leading terms, I'm referring to just normal digits or numbers here. Number 2, add the powers for any letters that are the same. So notice we're doing multiplication, we're multiplying algebraic terms. Whenever that happens, we add the powers for any letters that are the same. So let's have a look at some examples to illustrate these two rules. The first one, m squared times m to the power of 3. You can see that the two letters are the same, so we put the m here, and because the two letters are the same, add the indices. 2 plus 3 is 5, so that's m to the power of 5. It's a very straightforward rule. Number 2, we have those two terms multiplied together there. Now here we have the leading terms. The leading terms are 3 and 2. So the rule says multiply the leading terms together. 3 2s are 6. So you don't add those because they're leading terms. They are multiplied together because of that sign. So there's your 6. Now, the two letters that are the same are y and y. So we add the indices. 4 plus 5 is 9. So there's your answer. Number 3. Let's look at the letters that are similar. So we have this term multiplied by that term. Here we have m squared and m to the power of 4. If we add the indices, we have m to the power of 6. K to the power of 3 by k to the power of 5. Add the indices to give you k to the power of 8. And that's the answer. The leading terms are 1. So 1 times 1 is 1. But you don't have to show the 1. Now here we have two leading terms, so 3 4s are 12. Now w squared times w to the power of 6 gives you w to the power of 8, because you add the indices. H to the power of 4 times h to the power of 5 is h to the power of 9, because you add the indices. So that's the answer. Here we have a 7 and a 6. The leading term here is 6, and that's just a 7 by itself. Even though there's no letter there or pronumeral, you are allowed to go 7 6s are 42. You're allowed to do that. And then you just write the m, because there's nothing else. There's just the m by itself, so it's 42m. Number 6, negative 5 times positive 4 is negative 20. We saw the rules in a much earlier video about multiplying numbers where there are different signs. So negative times a positive gives you a negative, so that's negative 20. W to the 7 times w to the 6 is w to the power of 13, because you add the indices. H to the power of 5 by h to the power of 9 is h to the power of 14. So there's your answer. And this one is similar because we have minus 6 times minus 3. However, because we have two negative numbers, that gives you plus 18. So that is 18. And a squared by a cubed is a to the 5th. B to the power of 4 by b to the power of 5 is b to the power of 9. And c to the 7th by c to the 8th is c to the 15th. So there's the answer. So this video has shown us how to multiply algebraic terms together. And we have two rules here that guide us. And if we follow these rules, we can't go wrong.